A. Recto, Dr. Rizal Vivalo, and Honorable Gilbert S. Satin. Our dearest principal, Mrs. Imelda S. Arevalo, my beloved teachers, my fellow graduates, parents, and guardians, good morning. This is Mark Angelo Alino Caballo from Grade 6 Calderon, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, including our loved ones, friends, and most especially God. Because without Him, we wouldn't be here, and I would not be standing in front of you. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Parang kailan lang, sobrang tahimik pa natin, nangangapa, at kinakabahan sa pagpasok sa paaralan. Di ba? Malaking pasasalamat po talaga sa Panginoon dahil sa karunungan at gabay na pinagkaloob niya sa akin. Sa aking mga magulang, salamat din po sa kanila dahil sila ang aking unang guro na nagturot gumabay sa akin, sumuporta sa lahat ng sinalihan kong aktibidad sa paaralan at sa pag-intindi sa mga panahong kailangan ko ng mahabang oras sa pag-review. At sa aming mga guro, Ma'am Janet, na coach ko sa Math Olympiad, Ma'am Lemsel, Sir Efren, Sir Pelos, Ma'am Valet, Ma'am Maricel, Sir Lawrence, Sir Ginto, at sa aking advisor na si Ma'am Lizel Antipuesto. Maraming salamat po sa pagturo ninyo sa amin ng lahat na dapat matutunan at sa pagiging pangalawang magulang namin dito sa paaralan. Salamat din sa aking mga matalik na kaibigan na nagsilbing inspirasyon at kasama ko sa pag-aaral at sa lahat ng pagsubok. Kahit malapit na akong sumuko, sila ang inaalala kong andyan lang sila para sa akin. I've been here in Navarro Elementary School for 7 years, and every single second contains a beautiful memory. I remember that one time in kindergarten, I was so nervous, shy, and afraid to make friends before. Moving forward to grade 5, rather than being quiet, I became a little active in class and started to interact with my classmates. I had fun making friends with them. Then in grade 6, I was hesitant at first to mingle with my new classmates again because I didn't know even one single of them because I came from a different section in grade 5. As the days passed by, I became active in class and started making close friends. As I realized, I needed to go out of my comfort zone. We studied together, played and laughed together, and even helped each other to excel in difficult subjects. As a result, we became too attached and now get this bittersweet feeling because today will be our last day being together. Well, my fellow graduates, we know that a lot of issues have influenced and affected us today. From social media trends, peer pressure, fear of missing out, bullying, cyberbullying, drugs, academic pressure, and so on. But we should stand for what is right and know our values in life. But I know some of us have been struggling with academic pressure and socialization. But those things should not stop us from reaching our dreams. For a stronger sense of our future, we must adhere to our family and godly values. I also know some of us have been struggling with family issues. That's why, dear parents and guardians, let me tell you something. It is important to always check your children and spend quality time with them because it is crucial for our mental health and it is through you we learn all the moral values in life that make us better
May
versions
baby
of
kasi,
Filipino youths
may baby maliit.
and
Tapos may work yung daddy.
as wait lang. That make us better versions of Filipino youths in this present time. And the way you support your children
Ang haba
is
kasi
a
ng
big
ginawa
stepping stone in reaching their dreams in the future. Also, the friendship that we have had also made a difference. It is said that no one is an island. That's why we need someone like a friend who also supports us in everything that we do. I'm the type of student who not only wanted to excel in academics, but to also help my friend to excel as well. That's why we made the group chat of online tutors wherein our goal is to help those who are struggling in some subjects. And as much as possible, nobody should be left behind in academics. And I'm so proud that we made it. And I know someday we'll be able to face any challenges. Because we are Filipinos, we are strong-willed, we are compassionate and goal-driven. At sabi pa nga ni Jose Rizal, ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng bayan. Kaya tayo'y maging matatag, magsumikap, tumulong sa nangangailangan, maging mabuting ehemplo sa iba, at higit sa lahat, mag-aral ng mabuti. My fellow graduates, including my friends, along with parents, guardians, and teachers, I know this hurts to say, but we must accept it. Farewell, and I wish to see you soon again. May God be amidst your struggles and as you walk the pathway towards our dreams.
Maraming salamat sa iyong napakagandang mensahe, Mark Angelo. Muli, bigyan natin siya ng isang masigabong palakpakan.